Okay guys, so selamat datang untuk semua yang baru masuk, welcome. So today we are going to start new chapter, bab baru, Form 5, Chapter 6. Okay, Form 5 bab 6 which is trigonometry. Okay, so for this chapter, right, basically what you all must take note is, okay wait, actually part sukuan tu, okay, kita akan bincang yang ni, 6.1 guys today, 6.1, basic on trigo. Okay, so basically for trigo, kamu kena tahu benda pertama. Sudut yang diuji dalam matematik, the angle that is tested in modern maths is only this one. Okay, 0 sampai 360 sahaja. 0 until 360. But guys, untuk yang ambil at maths, adakah ini sahaja sudut yang diuji? Ya atau tak? For those take at maths, is it 0 until 360? Of course no lah. Ada lebih banyak dari situ. Tapi jangan risau, kita akan bincang yang ni sahaja. Sebab sekarang kita buat matematik. So 0 sampai 360 sahaja. Okay, second, major difference between maths and at maths. Okay, sudut yang dibincangkan kat sini semuanya adalah positif. Okay, all the angles over here are positive. Okay, so for those that take at maths, untuk yang ambil matematik tambahan, kamu nampak sudut ada negatif kan? Betul? Ada sudut negatif. Okay, negative angle. Tapi dalam modern maths hanya positive angle sahaja. Sudut positif. Okay, so jangan risau tentang yang negatif. Okay, so basically macam mana kita kira sudut dalam trigo, dalam matematik. Okay, so basically selalunya kamu kena mula kat sini. Okay, bahagian ni. This is where you all will start guys to count the angle. Always remember, start from the positive x-axis. Kamu mula dari paksi x yang positif. Maksudnya nilai x dia adalah positif. Ini poin yang sangat penting tau. Kamu tak boleh kira sudut dari sini, sini, ataupun sini. Sini sahaja. You can only count the angle from positive x-axis. Okay? So, for modern maths, our cycle is like this. Macam ni. Okay? So, this is our cycle for modern maths. Untuk at maths, kamu boleh pergi macam ni juga kan? Okay, but we don't talk about that today. We only talk about anti-clockwise direction, lawan pusingan jam. Okay? So, yeah. So, basically, berapa quadrant kita ada guys? How many type of quadrant we have in maths? I just have to remember. Yes, correct. How many quadrants? Total? Yes. Okay, ingat ada 4 quadrant secara total. Okay, so these are the 4 quadrant. Okay, ini adalah 4 quadrant yang kita ada. Okay guys, apa kita panggil bulatan ni? Siapa tahu? Ada satu nama spesifik untuk bulatan ni. There is one specific name for this type of circle. Anyone know? What is the name for this type of circle? No. The whole circle. Seluruh bulatan tu. Dia ada satu nama. Apa nama dia tu? The whole circle. No. I talking about trigo guys. Jangan pergi pada bahagian bab bulatan yang menengah rendah. Bukan yang tu. Sekarang kita bincang pasal form 5 bab 6. Term tu dalam bab ni. Okay, ada satu perkataan yang kamu belajar untuk bulatan di mana jejari dia adalah 1. Siapa tahu? There is a term where the radius of the circle is called 1. So what is that type of circle? Anyone know? Siapa tahu? Mula dengan perkataan U for English. No, not tangent. Start with U. Anyone? Okay. Malay also same. Same word. Sama sahaja. Guys, okay, one more difference I forget to mention. In modern maths, guys, we only use degree. Okay, kita hanya guna simbol darjah. For at maths, we will have radian. Okay, so today we only will talk on degree. Darjah sahaja. Yes, that is the answer. Unit circle, guys. Have you all heard of this? Pernah dengar yang ni? Okay, yang ni adalah bulatan unit. Okay, so what is the meaning? Unit circle, the meaning is the radius will always be 1. Can you all see it guys? jejari dia selalu akan satu. Di mana dia pusing pun. Always satu. Always number one. Okay? So, this is what we call as unit circle. Bulatan unit. Biasanya bila kamu nampak perkataan unit ni kan, when you see the word unit, it means that one. Okay, they're talking about one. Satu sahaja. Unit ni membawa maksud satu. Okay, so that's why the radius of the circle is one. Okay, jari dia selalu akan satu. Tak boleh dua, tak boleh tiga. It cannot be any value. Only one. Hanya satu sahaja. Okay guys, are you all clear? Boleh dapat? So you must understand the concept of unit circle. Okay, so why is this concept important? Because it will help you to measure the angle. Okay, kamu akan ukur sudut. Okay, so mungkin setengah daripada kamu akan fikir, kenapa satu? Why is it one? Who have this question? Siapa ada soalan kenapa dia setiap sisi kena satu? Okay. Yang ni kamu kena fikir pasal no. It's not default. There is a reason behind it. Okay, dia ada satu sebab. Okay, so the main reason is when we talk about trigo, right guys? Usually we got not area. Trigo kita ada tiga fungsi yang ni kan dalam modern maths. Okay, in modern maths we have three trigo function, sine, cos, tangent. So guys, siapa boleh bagi tahu saya nilai maksimum bagi fungsi sine berapa? What is the maximum value for sine function yang kamu belajar? Apa nilai maksimum sine boleh pergi untuk sine theta? Siapa tahu jawapan dia? Yes. So perasan tak guys? Nilai maksimum untuk sine theta hanya boleh satu. It can only be one. So means that, can you see why? The radius of the circle is one. Jejari bulatan tu satu sebab nilai maksimum dia hanya boleh satu. Tak boleh lebih dari satu. Untuk fungsi yang asas lah, y sama dengan sin theta. This is the basic function guys. Without modify anything. Tanpa buat apa-apa lagi. Okay? So that's why the maximum value is 1. Nilai maksimum 1. Okay. So how about cos theta guys? Apa nilai maksimum bagi fungsi cos? 1 juga. Perasan tak? Itu sebab raja kita ada 1 maximum. Okay, the greatest value it can go is 1. Okay? Okay, tangent. What is the maximum value untuk tangent? Okay, for tangent is infinity lah. Tapi untuk infinity, boleh tak kita lukis yang ni? Tak boleh kan biasanya. For infinity, we cannot show on the graph. Very clear. So, below infinity, what is the maximum value we have for tangent? Biasanya. Usually for tangent, if not infinity lah. What is the next maximum value? Anyone know? Yang kita boleh laka atas graph lah. Yes, 1. Okay, so this is also 1. But the correct maximum value is infinity lah. But we cannot show infinity in the circle. Kita tak boleh tunjuk dalam bulatan infinity. Okay, so you can see that sine, cos, tangent, semua bagi nilai maksimum 1. All the maximum value is 1. So that's why they come up with a unit circle, bulatan unit, where the radius is always 1. Okay, radius actually dia mewakili sudut. Okay, it's representing the angle actually. It's not the length, you know. Dia tak mewakili panjang. Dia mewakili sudut sebenarnya. Okay, this one is in degree. This one is in degree also. Okay. So, clear guys? Jelas tentang bulatan unit ni? Kenapa dia kena 1? Okay, mungkin buku teks takkan bagi tahu yang ni lah. Kenapa dia 1. Tapi untuk bagi kamu lebih faham. Kenapa dia kena 1? Sebab kita lihat nilai maksimum fungsi sine, cos, tangent. Okay, we look at the max value for all the 3 function. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so one more thing. The unit circle, bulatan unit, dia kena berpusat di asalan. Okay, center at origin. Okay, this is the most important point. Okay, it cannot be anywhere else. Maksudnya, bulatan unit ni tak boleh kat sini. Lepas tu, nilai dia semua 1. Tak boleh. Cannot. It must start at the origin, center. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so basically kamu ada 4 sukuan yang sama. Okay, so we will give some name. Kita bagi nama 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. In English, we call as quadrant. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so how we label the quadrant? Macam mana kita nak bahagikan quadrant ni? Kita akan label mengikut arah lawan pusingan jam. Anti-clockwise direction. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, guys, let's say saya tanya satu hari. Boleh tak saya label quadrant saya macam ni? 1, 2, 3, 4. Boleh tak? Can I label my quadrant like this? Yes or no? What do you all think? Okay, but lagi orang, adakah kita boleh label quadrant macam ni? Can we label it in clockwise direction? Ikut pusingan jam. Very good. Okay, means you all understand the concept. Tak boleh. Okay, walaupun kita nak guna sudut negatif, macam at maths kamu, if you take at maths, we have negative angle, right? Kita masih akan kekal kedudukan ni. We still maintain the position as anti-clockwise. Okay, lawan pusingan jam. Tak boleh tukar kuadran. Okay, walaupun arah kita ukur sudut tu tukar. Okay, although we change the direction of measurement of angle, the quadrant is always fixed one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so basically, sukuan 1, the angle is 0 to 90. Logic lah. Because total circle, jumlah sudut adalah 360. So 360 bahagi 4, Bowen, what do you mean by y? You mean y cannot label like this? Is this your question? You mean why this one cannot? Oh, if you label in this way, the values all will be different. Example, right? Our main concept is add sugar to coffee, correct? If you label like this, add sugar to, okay, so T will come here. It doesn't make sense already. It won't make sense. Okay, because your sign for all the function is different. Okay, example here, sign is positive. Here, tangent only positive. Here, cos positive. This is wrong. Because if you try and see with certain value, you won't get the correct answer. That's why they strictly follow to this one. This one only when you press calculator, you will understand. Okay, so later you will see why is it we must follow this order with example. Okay, okay guys, so sukuan tu, the range of sudut, julat sudut adalah 90 sampai 180. Okay, tambah 90 sahaja, just add 90, keep on at 90. Okay, so 3 is 180 to 270, and then 4 is 270 to 360. Okay, over here, they will give some different name. Mereka akan bagi nama berbeza sebenarnya. Okay guys, so for 0 to 90, what type of angle is this? Can anyone tell me? Apa jenis sudut ni yang kamu pernah belajar masa menengah rendah? Yes, this is what we call as acute angle ataupun sudut tirus dalam BM. Okay, how about this guys? 90 to 180. Apa jenis sudut ni? Kalau dalam lingkungan yang ni, this range. Obtuse, correct? Okay, this is what we call as obtuse angle. Sudut cakar dalam BM. Okay, how about these two guys? What is the name for these two angle? 180 to 360? Yes, very good. Sudut reflex in BM. Pernah dengar semua ni guys? Cuba ulang kaji ya. Ini semua jenis sudut yang kita ada. Type of angle. Okay, so we got acute, obtuse, reflex. Okay, so why must we know this in this chapter? Kenapa kena tahu yang ni? Okay, so basically, the question will come like this. There is an angle and they tell you that theta is an acute angle. Theta tu adalah sudut tirus. So kamu kena automatically tahu sudut tirus, sukuan pertama, first quadrant. Mereka takkan bagi tahu theta tu dalam kuadran pertama. Okay, dia akan cakap theta adalah sudut tirus. Kamu kena interpret sendiri sudut tirus tu dalam kuadran pertama. Faham tak maksud saya? Dia akan bagi tahu yang ni, bukan yang ni. Okay, in exam, they won't tell you this one. Usually lah, okay, they will tell you it is obtuse, acute, or reflex. Then you have to guess and see what quadrant is it in. So based on this lah, based on the range of angle berdasarkan julat sudut. Boleh faham guys? So make sure kamu tahulah sudut tirus 0 to 90, sudut cakar 90 to 180, sudut reflex 180 to 360. Okay? Sampai sini semua boleh faham? Boleh komen? Can you all like comment a bit? Clear? Okay. So we go next page. Okay, so on the next page, we are starting to count already. Okay, so basically, you can understand now why is it certain we have to follow the order lah, ikut lawan pusing anjam. Okay, so basically in this chapter there is one symbol that you must know. Okay, so untuk sudut rujukan sepadan, kita akan bagi simbol alpha. Okay, we will give a symbol of alpha for reference angle. Okay, this is called as reference angle in English. Okay, so always right, when you do trigo question, our main aim is to find the reference angle. Kita kena cari sudut rujukan dulu, baru kita buat pengiraan lain. Okay, kalau kamu perasan dengan langkah dia, kita selalu akan melibatkan yang ni. Betul guys? Kita selalu kena cari sudut rujukan dulu. We must find reference angle. So how to find reference angle? Based on the quadrant. Berdasarkan kuadran yang kamu tengok tadi. Okay? So selalu ingat, semua wajah ni kamu kena ukur dari paksi X yang positif. Measure from the positive x-axis secara lawan pusing anjam. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so let's say sudut saya adalah 45, katakan 45. It is in quadrant 1. Correct? Dalam quadrant pertama. Okay, let's say my sudut is in quadrant 3 now. So mungkin 295. 185. So dia akan berada dalam kuadran ketiga. Okay? Dan lagi contoh 280. 280. It'll be in quadrant 4. Okay, maybe 135. 135. Kuadran kedua. Okay? So macam mana tahu yang ni? Kita kena buat sedikit latihan lah. Okay? So guys, saya bagi sudut, kamu bagi tahu saya dia terletak pada kuadran keberapa. Boleh? I give you the angle, you tell me Q1, Q2, Q3 or Q4. Okay? So it's just like warm up your brain. Okay? So, okay, let's say I give you angle 53. Kuadran keberapa guys? Cuba komen. Okay, very good. Q1, correct? Okay. Now let's say 176. What quadrant guys? Okay, very good. Q2. Okay, lagi 359. What quadrant? Very good. Q4. Okay, let's say let me think. 191. Quadrant keberapa? Very good. Okay, Q3. Okay. This test you pass already. Okay, second level. Let's say I give you quadrant keberapa guys? 90. Cuba teka. 90 degrees Salah. Semua salah. All wrong. Not 90 degrees. Sorry, not quadrant 1. Siapa tahu apa jawapan dia? Salah juga. 2 also wrong. The answer is, how can be quadrant 4? Cannot. Okay? Dia adalah dua-dua. Quadrant 1 and also quadrant 2. Guys, if you refer the diagram, kalau kamu lihat wajah, sini 90 kan. Garis ni dikongsi oleh quadrant 1 dan quadrant 2. Betul? The 90 degree line is shared between two quadrant, which is quadrant 1 and 2. So dia bukan kuadran 1, dia bukan kuadran 2. Dia adalah dua-dua kuadran. Okay? So macam mana tahu? Sebab kamu lihat sudut yang ni. Julat yang ni. Okay, so kalau kamu lihat julat, tengok simbol guys. Lebih kurang. So kalau lebih kurang, adakah dia termasuk 90? Bukan kan? Sama untuk yang ni. Dia tak termasuk 90 darjah. It does not include 90 degrees. So if quadrant 1 does not include 90, quadrant 2 does not include 90, means that it is shared between the two. Dia dikongsi oleh kedua-dua kuadran. Okay? Can you all understand? So usually kan question takkan bagi nilai controversial lah macam ni. Dia akan sangat clear, straightforward. Okay, this one sahaja untuk test kamu sahaja. Okay, so jangan risau sangat tentang yang ni. Okay, so sama untuk semua yang lain. Okay, 180, 270, yes, both. But in exam, they won't ask. Usually, they won't ask like this. Okay, very rare. Sangat jarang. Usually, they will give you an angle somewhere here. Sudut dia akan berada macam ni. Lebih senang untuk kamu. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, one more thing guys. Take note. Untuk yang ni, dia boleh jadi dua darjah tau. There is two angle over here. 360 ataupun 0. Because 0 you start, kamu akhir dapat 360. Betul? So, garis ni, dia kongsi dua sudut juga. Iaitu 0 dan 360. Boleh faham guys? Can you all understand? Because it start at this point. Titik permulaan kat sini. Titik pengakhiran juga kat sini. You just need to know that that line is for two value. 0 and also 360 degree. Okay, because you start and also end there for one cycle. Satu kitaran lengkap. Okay, so 0, 360 for that line. Still 4 quadrant because these two angle is shared by this line. One line. One line share two angle. So it's still counted as one quadrant only. Okay, so always got 4 quadrant guys. Takkan lebih. Only 4 quadrant. Remember, no matter what. Okay, these two angles, one quadrant. Yes, correct. Okay, so yeah. Don't worry, these kind of angles all they won't ask that much. 0, quadrant 1, 360, quadrant 4. It can be interchangeable. It depends how you view it. It can be 360 quadrant 1, 0 quadrant 4. It depends guys. Sebab 0 dan 360 ni dia dikongsi oleh garis sama. So bergantung kepada macam mana kamu nak lihat yang ni. Okay, it's on the same line. So you cannot say does it belong here or here? It depends. Okay. It is set among these two quadrants. Okay. So that is the, yeah. If you're talking about share lah, if share means is two quadrant. Okay. But by itself is one line only. You only draw one line. You don't draw two line. Am I right? For 0 and 360 because it's on the same line. 0 or 360. Okay. So yeah. So don't need to worry too much. This one very detailed already. So they won't test you so much. Yes. It's very open one. It's not like fixed like that. Okay, it depends how you view it. Okay. So yeah. Just make sure you know which angle is in which quadrant. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so now you must know about these guys. This one very important. Sangat penting. Okay, so what is the mnemonic guys? Kita guna untuk trigo. Apa acronym dia? There is one acronym we use for trigonometry. Don't know guys, can anyone help me to tell Bowen? Yes. Okay, ASTC. Kalau BM saya tak pasti. Untuk BM kamu semua guna apa guys? Sebab yang ni adalah untuk English. Add sugar to coffee. So BM, what is the mnemonic? Saya pun tak tahu. ASTC. I don't know. Add sugar to coffee. Because later I'll explain. Okay, so this is one way for you all to remember. Another way you all can remember is, hold on. This one is an interesting way so you all can remember. Okay, all science teacher crazy. For those take English lah, ASTC. Okay, add sugar to coffee or all science teacher crazy. Oh, aku suka tengok Korea. Okay, Korea apa? Korea sahaja ke? Okay. So all science teacher crazy. Okay, for BM kamu gunalah. Aku suka tengok oh course. Betul betul. Korea. Okay, can. For BM is K. So C or K. Alright. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, so how to use these guys? Macam mana guna acronym ni? So basically A means all ataupun S semua. Okay, so semua positif. So apa maksud semua positif? Sin positif, cos positif, tangent positif. Okay, means that any value of angle in this quadrant, you will get positive value. Okay, selalunya dapat positif. Okay, tak percaya saya, kamu tekan calculator. Okay, let's say kita pilih sudut 10. Okay, we choose the angle 10. Okay, guys, press calculator and see. Sin 10, positive, right? Okay, press again. Cos 10. Cos 10 positif juga kan? Okay, tangent 10. Positif juga. Boleh faham sekarang, guys? Kenapa kita kata semua positif? Sebab semua sudut antara 0 hingga 90 dalam kuadran pertama akan positif. Can, but not in modern maths. Okay? Generally, if you talk about mathematics, yes, angles can be negative. But in your SPM syllabus, since you got modern maths and ad maths, modern maths only positive, ad maths positive, negative. Okay, I don't know why they do like this lah, tapi ini adalah SPM. Tapi generally untuk mathematics, yes, kita ada sudut negatif. We have negative angle. Okay? So, yeah. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so for this one, S. S mean sign positive. Correct? So, sign positive, cos dan tangent akan jadi negative. Okay, because only one of it can be positive in quadrant yang kedua. Okay, second quadrant. Okay, so again, you can try and see any angle. Okay, guys, cuba cadangkan kat saya satu sudut yang kamu tahu dalam kuadran kedua. Cuba type kat ruangan komen. Can you all give me one angle in the quadrant 2? Don't give controversial one. I don't want controversial one. Controversial cannot apply the rule. Wow. Okay, nice number. 1, 2, 3. I take 1, 2, 3 lah. Okay, guys. Cuba tekan calculator. Sin 1, 2, 3. Positive, right? Okay. Try cos 1, 2, 3. Cos 1, 2, 3 kamu nampak sesuatu, guys. Negative kan? You get a negative value. How about tangent? Tangent 1, 2, 3. Negative juga. So betul lah. Based on the relationship, is correct. So that's why we use S over there. Means sign positive. Okay? Okay, untuk quadrant, let me think and see. It's better if you memorize because it will be more time consuming if you check with calculator. So yes, better memorize. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so for third quadrant, tangent positive. Okay guys, can you all give me an angle in third quadrant? Satu sudut dalam kuadran ketiga. Anyone? Can anyone suggest to me? Okay, 255 correct. Okay, so you all can try and see. Sin 255, you get a negative value. Okay, cos 255, you also get negative. Nilai negatif. Okay, and tangent 255, okay, 185 pun boleh. Okay, tangent kamu dapat positif. Alright? Okay, guys. So why is it like this? Kenapa macam ni? Okay, I explain to you one method lah. Okay, I explain over here. Yes, correct. ASTC mean all the letters there is only positive, like sin positive, tangent positive, cos positive. Correct. Okay, guys. So why do we have value like this, like negative, positive, negative, 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 positive, positive, negative, negative? Macam mana tahu yang ni? How to know all this? If we don't have calculator lah, katakan kita tak ada calculator, tak boleh tekan nilai macam tu. How do we get this value? Okay, so there is one method. Okay, so kalau kamu perasan kan, semua kat sini dia ada dua negatif, satu positif. Betul? Do you all see that, guys? In all the quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4, you got two negative and one positive. Am I right? Okay. So now you all check this and see. Okay, guys, can anyone tell me one formula that relate sine, cos, and tangent? Siapa tahu? Satu rumus yang menghubungkan ketiga-tiga fungsi trigoni. Anyone? Common one. One formula only. Not that one. Something else. In lower form you all learn. Menengah rendah kamu belajar. Satu rumus yang menghubungkan ketiga-tiga fungsi trigoni. Siapa tahu? Besides that, I want the equation persamaan, not the short form. Equation that connect all the three equation, Praveen, not the field. I want an equation or persamaan. This one very basic one. You all learn in form 3, if not mistaken. Tingkatan 3. So guys, have you all forgotten this? Tangent equal to sine over cos. No. Not Pythagoras. Guys, do you all still remember this? Hello? Revise lower form tau. Ulang kaji bab menengah rendah. Do you all still remember this, guys? Tangent is equal to sine over cos. You can find in Form 3 textbook 1, trigonometry chapter. Yes. Okay, so guys, so now we look at the quadrant and see whether it makes sense or not. Okay, guys. So I say that for quadrant 2, sign must be positive. Betul? Sign kena positive. So guys, we check and see. Cos, negative. Quadrant 2. Tangent, negative. Quadrant 2. Guys, sine is equal to tangent times cos. Negative times negative. Dapat apa, guys? Negatif kali negatif. Positif kan? So terbuktilah kenapa sin kena positif kat sukuan kedua. Boleh faham tak? So kita boleh guna rumus ni untuk cek. So negatif darab negatif, kamu akan pasti dapat nilai yang positif. Tak kira apa sudut kamu. No matter what is your angle, negative times negative is always positive. Okay? So yeah. Sama kamu boleh cek untuk kuadran ketiga dan yang keempat also. Okay? So can you all understand, guys? So kalau kamu tak boleh hafal, cannot remember, remember this. Tangent equal to sine over cos. Then kamu gantikan nilai sine atau tangent, then kamu boleh cari nilai cos. Okay? Senang macam tu saja. Okay? Easy as that. Are you all clear, guys? So make sure you all remember your lower form. Okay, this formula. Tangent is equal to sine over cos. Okay? Okay. So for this one, okay, kamu nampak sangat kompleks kan, guys? Tengok semua ni sangat kompleks kan? Adakah perlu hafal, guys? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Do I need to remember all of this? Yes or no? No need. Understand the concept only. Faham konsep saja kamu akan dapat semua yang ni. Tak perlu hafal. Okay, no need. Okay? You can press calculator also, you can get the answer. Okay? So, yeah. Basically, it just explain back the concept only. Okay, so one thing that you can know here is this value, 180. Okay, guys. Siapa tahu untuk dua sudut yang kita tambah dapat 180. Apa nama kita bagi? Two angles, you add up, you get 180. Correct. Supplementary angle. Okay, so this is what we call as supplementary angle. Two angle, bila kita tambah, kita dapat 180. Okay. Untuk BM, saya rasa, siapa tahu nama dia untuk BM? Saya dah lupa. Dua sudut yang kamu tambah dapat 180. In English is supplementary angle. Okay. I forget the term already for BM. Yang kita ada sudut conjugate, sudut satu lagi sudut yang tu supplementary. Okay, kalau siapa tahu boleh ingatkan saya lah. Okay, so we can direct go to the example. Okay, so now guys, kamu kena tentukan sudut rujukan. Okay, you must get your reference angle. Okay, thank you Camilla. Sudut penggenap. Okay. So yang dua sudut tambah tu dapat 180, adalah sudut penggenap. Okay, so selalu kita akan guna yang ni dalam bab ni, sudut penggenap. Kena ingat yang tu. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so first question guys, 138, 138. So untuk yang ni, apa sudut rujukan dia? What is the reference angle? Can anyone tell me? 138. What is your reference angle? Anyone? Apa sudut rujukan kamu? Kalau 138. Okay, so first, 138 ni dalam kuadran ke berapa? Which quadrant? 138. Okay, very good. Kuadran kedua. Okay, so Faris cakap 42. Okay, so 42. Okay, let's check. Okay, so yes. Okay, so correct. Okay, so macam mana kita tentukan sudut rujukan? Selalu ingat, kita kena berdasarkan paksi X. We refer back always to X-axis. Okay, jangan kamu tentukan sudut rujukan dari paksi Y. Ini salah, hanya boleh tentukan dari paksi X. Only X-axis. Okay, sama ada negatif atau positif. Okay, it can be negative X-axis or positive X-axis also can. Depend where is your angle located. If example, quadrant maximum angle. What is your meaning here? Quadrant maximum angle. You mean for one quadrant, what is the maximum angle or total? Yeah, 90 lah. Oh, you mean for this question, how do we get the alpha, is it? Oh, simple. Guys, one straight line is 180. Am I right? Satu garis lurus, jumlah sudut dia 180. So we are given the angle is 138. So you just take 180 minus 138. So you will get your reference angle, alpha. Sudut rujukan sepadan. Okay? So yeah. Okay guys, one more thing you all must take note, right? Alpha ni kan kena selalu dalam julat ni. Take note guys, your reference angle must always be an acute angle. Very important. Okay, sudut rujukan hanya boleh sudut tirus sahaja. Tak boleh yang lain. Okay, so always make sure bila kira sudut rujukan ni, jawapan kamu kena dalam julat ni. Okay, your answer must be in this range. Okay, I mean, is it quadrant 2 maximum angle? No, quadrant 1 plus quadrant 2 is 180. Okay, Bowen, you see this. This is Q1. This is Q2. Two quadrants, you add up 180. Am I right? Then you minus the angle they give you. Because you must get your answer within this range. So that's why we take 180 minus your question, which is 138. Okay? Are you clear? This is for the angle in quadrant 2. Okay? Sukuan yang kedua. Okay guys? So this is how we get the reference angle. Okay. So why? Okay, can you all try and see? 239. 239. What is your reference angle? Sudut rujukan. Berapa? 59 degree. Okay, sangat pantas. Okay, let me check. Yes, very good. Okay, 59 degree is correct. Okay guys, so 239 degree, quadrant ketiga, third quadrant. So always remember, sudut rujukan kena berpandukan paksi X. We refer to X-axis. Okay, so the angle is this one. Okay, we must get this angle. So 239, 239 darjah, macam ni. This whole angle is 239. Alright, so the reference angle, you take 239 minus 180. Then you will get your reference angle, which is 59. Okay guys, boleh dapat? Can you all see the concept guys? All of you clear? Boleh respond kalau faham? Okay, this concept very important because especially for those take admits, yang ambil admits, selalu kamu akan guna yang ni. Okay, good question. What is reference angle? Reference angle is basically an angle that we get by measuring it to the x-axis, either the positive x-axis or the negative x-axis. Okay, and it must be within the range of 0 to 90 degree. This is the meaning of reference angle. Okay? You don't need to know the meaning. Okay? Tak perlu tahu maksud guys. Apa maksud sudut rujukan sepadan? No need to know. Mereka takkan tanya. What negative x-axis, then negative value. Negative x-axis, no. Your reference angle is always this one, Bowen. It must be a positive value. In what we call it, modern maths, we always have positive angle only. Remember that. Okay? No negative angle in modern maths. Okay? So, yeah. The value of the thing can be negative. Example, guys. Sine, let's say, sine 296. Okay. Press calculator, guys. You will get negative value. Am I right? Sine 296. This is the answer. Negative 0.899. Okay. The value of the function can be negative. Nilai fungsi sine dia boleh jadi negatif. Tapi sudut tu yang ni hanya boleh positif. Okay, because in modern maths our angle can only be positive. There is no negative angle. But the value of the angle under a trigo function can be negative or positive. Can you understand, Bowen? So that is the concept. The angle itself is positive, but the value of it under a function of sine, cos, or tangent can be positive or negative. Okay, so this one always positive. The angle that you fill in after the sine is always positive. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we try question C, guys. Can anyone tell me what is the reference angle for 312? 312? Sudut rujukan berapa? Later you see. Try first. Try to give answer. Okay, some more guys. Can anyone else try? What is the reference angle for this angle? Apa sudut rujukan sepadan bagi sudut ni? Okay, some more. You learn and see. Later I'll show the explanation. Okay, very good. The answer is 48. Correct. Okay, guys. So how to see? 312 is in quadrant 4. Correct? Sukuan keempat. So you must draw like this. Okay? It will be somewhere over here. Okay? So means that reference angle. So always remember, reference angle we measure to the positive x-axis or negative x-axis. Kepada paksi x positif atau negatif. So guys, can you see that? Never mind. Can you see that the angle is sticking to the x-axis? Kamu boleh lihat sudut tu dia cantum dengan paksi x kan? Alpha ni. Dia cantum dengan paksi x. So itu maksud sudut rujukan. The angle is sticking to the x-axis. Okay? It must always stick to the x-axis. No matter quadrant 1, 2, 3 or 4. Always stick to the x-axis. Okay? A and B. Okay. A and B is different because different quadrant, your angle, you can see. Okay? Try to compare all these three and understand how they get the answer. Okay, so for the rest of you, do you all understand how we get the answer, guys? A, B, C? Clear? Boleh dapat? Clear, huh? Okay, good. I don't understand B. Okay, so B, you must understand that. Okay, what you don't understand? Can you like describe what you don't understand about B? The rest, you just chill first. Okay, I help Bowen first to answer his question. Yang lain tunggu dulu. Why reverse? Reverse. What do you mean by reverse? I don't understand. We are always following one direction only, which is anti-clockwise. Can you see? We start from the y is not 270. You mean for B, yeah? Praveen. Why not 270? You mean your alpha or what? So Praveen, your 270, is it you're asking for alpha? Why it cannot be alpha equal to 70? Okay, guys, reference angle, always remember within this range. That's all. Reference angle must be an acute angle, nothing else. Okay? No matter where your angle is, quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4, it must always be within this range. Reference angle, we always give a symbol of alpha. Okay? Remember to use the symbol when you answer question. It show reference angle. Because normal angle, you will use this symbol, right? Sudut biasa kita guna simbol theta. Ataupun something like this. Am I right? To show angle. But reference angle, specifically, we use this symbol. It's different compared to this symbol and this symbol. Okay? So reference angle is different compared to a normal angle. It is like a subset. Can you all understand, guys? Angle is like a big thing, like 0 to 360. Reference angle is a subset under a larger set because it's only 0 until 90 degree. Okay? So example, maybe I draw for you. You understand better. You all understand set, right, guys? Kamu semua tahu operasi set kan? Okay, so this is the set operation. This is theta. Alpha is this. Can you all see it? Alpha is a subset of theta. Boleh dapat? Faham? Hubungan yang ni? So this is what I'm trying to explain lah in simple word. Okay? X-axis must be within quadrant. Symbol matters. Symbol you mean for this one? Alpha? Yes. If you want to show reference angle, must write alpha. Cannot. Reference angle, they very strict. If any normal angle can, but if you are talking about reference angle, it's better to use alpha. Okay? Selalu guna alpha untuk sudut rujukan, nothing else. Okay? How about my first question? X-axis must be within quadrant. Is it that one? Of course, x-axis is part of the quadrant. Your quadrant 1 start here and here. Am I right? This is your whole quadrant 1. Okay? Sampai dari paksi X sampai paksi Y. Itu adalah quadrant pertama kamu. Second quadrant, from here until here. This is Q2. It includes both the Y and the x-axis. Okay? Can understand? Alpha, it depends. Where is your angle located? It depends. Example, question A. Your alpha is in quadrant 2. Correct? Because my angle stretch until quadrant 2. For part B, the angle stretch until quadrant 3. So my alpha is in quadrant 3. For question 4, the angle is until quadrant 4. So alpha is in quadrant 4. Can you understand? So the angle they give you in the question, the quadrant, is equal to the quadrant of the reference angle. Okay? So guys, important point, kuadran untuk sudut yang diberi adalah sama dengan kuadran untuk sudut rujukan sempadan kamu. Boleh dapat? Kamu boleh lihat dari sini. Okay? So, yeah. Okay? So you just refer the diagram only. Okay guys, can we go on? Next slide. Can now? Okay. All right. So we're going to see on this one. Okay guys, can anyone tell me what is the, what to say, same trigonometric function that has the same value as sine 167? Can anyone tell me? Nyatakan hubungan fungsi trigonometri yang berikut dengan sudut rujukan sepadan. So basically you must find the reference angle and tell what is the trigonometric function. Okay, very good. Okay, so first one, sine 167 is equal to, chill. I will explain to you. Don't so excited. Okay, the answer is sine 13. Okay, so how we get this? Okay, so if you draw and see, you will get some, oh sorry, they never draw here. Never mind, I draw. Okay, so sine 167 is somewhere here. Correct? Ini adalah 167. Where is your reference angle, guys? Can you all tell me? Where should I mark my reference angle? Kat mana saya kena letak sudut rujukan tu? Cuba komen. Bagi satu perkataan saja. Keyword. It should stick to the melekat pada, yes, x-axis. So means that your reference angle is this one. Ini adalah sudut rujukan. So guys, can you all count for me? What is your alpha? Apa nilai kamu? Alpha value. You should get 13. Correct? Alpha sama dengan 13. Yes, 13 degree. Okay. So now, what function can give you the same value as sine 167? Okay, so this one, quadrant 2, right? Quadrant kedua. So guys, quadrant kedua, fungsi mana akan positif? Which function is a positive value in Q2? Yes, sine, right? So means that sine 13. Clear? Okay, so the answer is sine 13. Tak percaya? Kamu tekan calculator. Sine 167 is equal to this value, 0.22 something. Okay, sine 13, tekan calculator, sama. Exactly the same. So what conclusion can we get from here? So for sine function, any two angle that you add up, right, total 180, the value is equal to each other. Okay? Mana-mana dua sudut yang kamu tambah, dapat 180, nilai dia akan sama antara satu sama lain. Boleh faham guys? So itu adalah kesimpulan dia dari soalan A. Okay? So ini kita panggil sudut penggenap lah. Okay? What is it? Supplementary angle. Two angle, you add up 180. Find reference angle only, yes. Okay, you just need to find the reference angle, then you put what is the function in front of it, sine, cos, or tangent. Okay, which will give you the same value as sine 167. Okay, so this one you can use calculator to make it easier a bit. Okay, okay, one more thing that you all must know. I think they never explain really well here. Okay, so basically guys, there's few relationship that you all must know. Okay, so first relationship is this one. Wait, okay, so first one, you must know that sine theta is equal to sine alpha. Okay, condition theta plus alpha is equal to 180 degree. Ini kita lihat dalam soalan A. Betul? Exactly the same. Okay, alpha reference angle, theta is the angle given, sudut yang diberi. So, dua-dua sudut kamu tambah dapat 180, maka nilai sin bagi mereka akan sama. Okay? Okay, so second relationship, cos. For cos, special. Yes, you must add a negative value. Okay, always remember guys, for cos, you will need to add negative. That's all you need to remember. Okay, same for tangent. Tangent theta equal to negative tangent alpha. Okay, are you all clear? So sine is always positive, cos and tangent can be negative. Okay, so why is it like this guys? Mengapa macam ni? If you remember and see, all of this satisfy for quadrant 2. Am I right? Quadrant kedua, sine positive, cos tangent negative. Nampak tak guys? Simbol negatif kat sini. Do you all see this? Negative, negative. So all this relationship is for quadrant 2. Untuk quadrant kedua. Okay? So, yeah. Yeah, that's all. So basically, theta plus alpha, usually you will get 180 degree. Okay, if you are talking about quadrant 2. Because quadrant 2 is straight line, right? From here, you go until 180. So this is complete 2 quadrant. So that's why you plus 2 angle, you will get 180. Okay? So the relationship is just for quadrant 2 only. This one. Okay? So for different quadrant, the relationship is different. All right. Okay, guys. So for part B, can you all try and see what will be your answer? First of all, what is your reference angle? Sudut rujukan untuk bahagian B. Can anyone tell? Sudut rujukan. Berapa kamu dapat? Sudut rujukan tau. Yes, 78 degree guys. Konsep asas. Okay, 258 dia kat sini. Okay, so sudut rujukan dia kat sini. This is your reference angle alpha. So macam mana dapat alpha? 258 tolak 180 yang ni. Okay, so alpha sama dengan 78. Okay, so now guys, adakah saya perlu tambah negatif ataupun positif? Okay, so sekarang kita kalau cos, kita ikutlah cos 78. Tapi simbol kat sini, adakah saya letak positif atau negatif? Do I put a positive sign or negative sign? Based on the explanation just now. Tadi saya terangkan yang tu. Usually, we will add what symbol? Very good. Negative. Cos, usually you add negative. If cos, then yes, must follow one. You cannot simply like tangent equal to sine. It don't make sense. Okay, cos must follow with cos. Tangent follow tangent. Yes. Okay, negative sign. Okay, if you don't believe, you press calculator. Correct. Okay, because we are following the quadrant over here. Okay, so guys, if you notice, right, this reference angle is in which quadrant? Can you all tell me? Sudut rujukan ni dalam kuadran keberapa? Kalau saya rujuk kepada yang ni lah, 258. Where is my 78 degree? Can anyone tell me? Very good. Quadrant 3. Okay, so guys, quadrant 3 untuk cos negatif kan? You should get negative value. So ini sebab kamu nampak negatif kat sini. Boleh faham? Can you all understand? Because if you press cos 78, kalau kamu tekan cos 78 sahaja, kamu akan dapat positif sebenarnya. So ini adalah salah. Sebab untuk kuadran ketiga, dia kena dapat nilai negatif. So that's why kita automatically tambah negatif kat situ. Okay? So we just simply add the negative sign to satisfy that it is in quadrant 3. But the magnitude itself, nilai dia sahaja adalah positif. Okay? Magnitude selalu positif kan? So kita kena tambah negatif untuk patuhi kedudukan dia. Sebab kedudukan kamu belajarkan dalam vektor. Kedudukan ditunjukkan oleh simbol positif negatif. So samalah macam trigo. Kuadran tu maksud dia kedudukan. So kedudukan kamu kena bagi tahu secara jelas sama dia adalah positif atau negatif. Okay? Trigo is just like vector. Okay, vector you must add positive, negative. Am I right? To show direction. Over here, this is also direction. The way you measure the angle, cara kamu ukur sudut. So depending on the quadrant, you must add positive or negative to show the direction. Okay guys, boleh faham kenapa kita kena tambah negatif semua tu? Okay. So kalau kita tak ada quadrant, if we don't have quadrant, then tak perlulah simbol negatif atau positif. Kita akan selalu ambil magnitude sahaja. Okay, but since we have quadrant, you must follow positive, negative. Okay, very good. Okay guys, so for this one, can you all tell me what is the, yes, definitely got quadrant lah. Quadrant already invented by the mathematician, so definitely got already. Okay, yes, negative tangent 11, very good. Okay, so why is it negative guys? Because this one is quadrant 4. Quadrant 4, tangent is negative. So that's why the answer is negative tangent 11. Okay, your reference angle is 11 degree. Sudut rujukan 11. Okay, so ini cara kita buatlah untuk semua yang ni. Actually tak perlu semua yang kompleks yang ni. Okay, kalau kamu faham tadi apa saya terangkan, kamu boleh direct dapat jawapan. Okay, tak perlu guna formula-formula semua ni. No need. Very confusing. Okay, sangat mengelirukan. Okay, asalkan kamu lukis rajah kan, kamu akan faham dengan lebih senang. Kuadran tu. Okay, itu sangat membantu. Always draw the diagram when you are doing trigo. Okay, although you think very easy to imagine, right? Jangan. Kamu boleh buat silap kadang-kadang. Careless mistake. So when you draw diagram, right? Very clear di. Kamu boleh nampak dengan jelas mana sudut tu. Where is your angle? Okay? So yeah, this is one of the tips. Alright. So guys, now we are going to look and see what is the relationship over here. Okay, so how do we get all these relationship, guys? Sine theta is y, cos theta is x. Okay, this one a bit understandable lah, guys. Okay, tangent theta, guys. Tangent theta actually show what? Can you all tell me? Tangent ni menggambarkan kuantiti apa? What does tangent show in maths? Generally, secara siapa tahu? Tangent ni menggambarkan apa sebenarnya? Then kamu akan faham yang ni. So anyone? What does tangent show in maths? Start with letter G. Mula dengan huruf G. Kalau BM, mula dengan huruf K. So tangent tu menggambarkan apa? Yes, gradient, guys. Kecerunan. So guys, do you all understand? Rumus gradient is delta Y over delta X. Betul? Ataupun Y2 tolak Y1 bahagi X2 tolak X1. Sama dengan koordinat Y bahagi dengan koordinat X. Bowen, don't worry so much on that. This is the meaning of delta. This symbol, we call it as delta. Okay? The symbol, the name is delta. Okay, I know you will ask me another thing. Yes, this is triangle lah. Delta is a triangle. Can you see? Small triangle. Okay. So guys, don't confuse. There is another delta. Delta is triangle. Yes, there is two type of delta, guys. First delta is like this. Pernah nampak kan, guys, simbol ni? Kamu guna dalam AddMaths. Delta Y bahagi delta X. This is delta. Triangle also is delta. There is two type of delta. One is capital, one is lowercase. Okay, huruf besar dan huruf kecil lah. Macam tu. Dua-dua adalah simbol D. Okay, simbol D besar dan simbol D kecil dalam huruf Greek. This is Greek alphabet. Okay, so the Greek system of naming is like this. Okay, the Greek alphabet. Okay, delta, alpha, beta, all of this. Okay, so they have capital and also small letter. So for delta, it's like this. I forget which one capital and which one small lah, but these are the two symbols. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we look on this one, guys. Okay, so how to understand this one? Sine theta and cos theta. Okay, so basically, if you all remember, right, negative y divide x. No, it depends on where is your angle again. Okay, if your angle is in a negative quadrant, then you add negative lah. If it's in a positive quadrant, then it's positive. It depends. Okay, so that's why the general formula, guys, this is a general formula, rumus So kamu kena modify ikut kepada kedudukan sudut kamu. Ini adalah untuk memudahkan kamu guna rumus sahaja. Mereka bagi rumus So bila tambah negatif, bila tambah positif, kamu kena tahu bila nak buat. Okay, nanti kita lihat. Okay, alright. So for the sine and cos, okay, so guys, do you all still remember sine theta equal to what? Basic. You all learn trigo. Untuk segitiga sudut tegak, right angle triangle, sine is equal to what? Can anyone tell me? Sine is equal to what? Sine theta. Sama dengan your mnemonic. Sokatua. Am I right? You all learn sokatua, right? Betul? Yes. So actually is opposite over hypotenuse. Betul? Ini adalah rumus sine yang kamu tahu. So guys, hypotenuse. Berapa nilai hypotenuse kita? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? What is our value for hypotenuse? Very good. Okay, so Y1. Kenapa 1? Sebab tadi kita bincang pasal bulatan unit. Betul? The unit circle radius is always 1. Jejari selalu kena 1. So that's why my hypotenuse is 1. Okay, hypotenuse will show the radius of the circle. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so how about opposite? Okay guys, opposite dalam sebuah segitiga lah. Okay, so katakan segitiga saya macam ni, sudut kat sini. Where is the opposite, guys? Opposite kat sini kan bertentangan dengan sudut tu. So guys, this one Adakah dia merujuk koordinat Y atau koordinat X dalam sebuah segitiga kalau dia menegak? If it's a vertical line, yes. Vertical line we will use Y. Okay, because the coordinate here is referred to Y coordinate. So guys, Y divided by 1. Kamu dapat apa? Y kan? Okay, so that's why the answer is coordinate Y. Can you all understand guys? Ini cara kita dapat Y. Y bahagi 1 sahaja. Okay, so sama dengan cos. X bahagi 1. Dapat jawapan. Okay, so macam mana kita dapat segitiga? Okay, you can refer over here. Okay, so based on the quadrant again. So 4 quadrant, 4 triangle. Okay, so kamu akan dapat semua nilai yang ni. Okay, so guys, kamu kena take note tanda tu penting. Tanda positif atau negatif. Okay, you must make sure your sign is correct. Okay, so example, if your triangle is here, X and Y is positive based on the graph. If your triangle is over here, Y is positive, X is negative. Okay, kamu semua cuba pula untuk yang ni guys. Untuk segitiga yang ni. Nilai X dan Y adalah positif atau negatif? Untuk yang ketiga. X and Y. Adakah nilai kamu positif atau negatif? Berdasarkan graf. Yes, of course negative lah. You can see the value here guys. Negative 1, negative 1. The triangle is here. Okay? Okay. How about quadrant 4 guys? Which one positive, which one negative? Yang mana nilai kamu positif, yang mana nilai kamu negatif? X atau Y? So X kena positif, Y kena negatif. Betul? Berdasarkan segitiga kamu. Okay, based on your triangle. Okay? Are you all clear guys? Understand? So this is how we get all the formula. Okay, Bowen, just now you told me, right? Tangent can be negative Y over X. There? Okay, one part and also another part. Tangent is negative. So it depends on your sign. If it's negative, you will get a negative answer. Can you see? If either sine or cos is negative, then you will get tangent negative. Why? Always recall this formula. Tangent is equal to sine over cos. Tadi saya bagi tahu kan, guys, yang ni. Kamu macam mana tentukan sama ada sine, cos atau tangent tu positif, kamu guna rumus ni. So, mereka guna kat sini lah untuk dapat nilai ni. You can use both. There are two methods actually. This is the second method. ASTC is the first method. Okay, so you can use both. Both also can use. Depend on your preference. Yeah, definitely either one. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, can you all understand this question? Boleh dapat? Clear on all the thing they explain here? Okay guys, one more thing. Do I need to memorize all this? Can you all comment? All of you over here. Perlu hafal tak semua yang ni yang ditunjukkan? Yes or no? No need Jangan pergi hafal. Tak perlu. Okay, waste time only. Bazir masa. Kamu boleh buat secara spontan dalam exam. Okay, jangan hafal. Understand. Okay? I want to see formula. Which one? This one? 3. This one is it? Quadrant 3. Oh, 3 formulas. 3 formulas. This one lah. These the 3 formulas. Okay. So based on what I explained just now. Okay. So we continue guys to the next one. Okay. So guys, you can refer this circle over here. Now we test and see. Do you all understand just now formula or not? Okay guys. So the question is to find cos theta and tangent theta. Okay. So all of you over here, can you all try and see what is your cos theta for this question? Anyone? Nilai cos theta untuk segitiga yang ni. Tekan calculator saja. Press calculator. Ingat mereka tak tanya sudut, mereka tanya nilai cos theta dan tangent theta. They ask you the whole value of the function cos and tangent, not the angle. Okay, so anyone, can you all tell me cos theta equal to what for this question, and tangent theta equal to what? So start with cos. So anyone boleh jawab apa nilai kamu cos theta? Senang saja yang ni, terus boleh dapat jawapan. Very good, correct. Okay, ada dua jawapan. Okay, so guys, remember cos theta equal to apa? Adjacent divide by hypotenuse. So K, K. So K tu adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, bersebelahan bahagi hypotenuse. So bersebelahan tu maksudnya apa? Bersebelahan maksudnya paksi X. Okay, so paksi X, nilai dia adalah yang ni. Okay guys, hypotenuse berapa guys? 1. Selalunya 1 dalam bab ni. Sebab dia adalah bulatan unit. Unit circle. Okay, so apa-apa bagi 1, kamu dapat nilai dia balik. So nilai dia adalah coordinate X. Okay. Cos theta equal to, yes, correct. Tangent, yes, correct. Very good. Okay guys, so how to count tangent theta? Tangent theta is basically y over x. Correct? Based on the formula. Rumus kecerunan kamu. Gradient of the line. Okay? So you take this value, 0.8829 bahagi 0.4695. Okay? So ini adalah nilai tangent theta. Okay. So clear guys? Untuk bahagian A. So untuk bahagian A, senang. Very easy. Because semua nilai adalah positif. Tapi, let's say sekarang ada soalan yang ada nilai negatif. Negative value. Cos is what again? Yes, cos is X. X coordinate. Okay? So yeah. Yes, sin is Y. Try not to memorize in that way. Okay, because in this question, your concept is correct. But in other question, your concept is wrong. Remember that. Guys, please jangan fix minda cos merujuk X, sin merujuk Y. This is a wrong concept. Concept salah. For this question, correct. Untuk bulatan unit, betul. You're right. The concept is correct. Yes, you must look at it generally because it depends on where your angle is. Guys, let's say sekarang saya tukar soalan sekarang sudut saya kat sini pula. My angle is over here. Guys, can you all tell me where is my opposite? A, B, C. Mana adalah sisi bertentangan saya? Cuba bagi tahu saya. B kan? Okay. Mana hypotenuse saya? A atau C? C, correct. So guys, sin theta equal to B over C. So guys, B ni apa? X kan? Sebab paksi X mendata. So guys, dia totally contradict dengan apa yang kita dapat tadi. So mengapa macam ni? Sebab sudut saya dah ubah. My angle already changed. My angle originally here. Now my angle is here. So it depends where the angle is. It's not a fixed value. Okay? Just for this chapter, bab ni, sudut kita selalu akan sentuh paksi X. Betul? Because reference angle kena sentuh paksi X. Tapi untuk soalan trigo yang general, basic trigo, sudut dia boleh kat mana-mana. So maybe your angle is over here. So kena ubah. You must change your formula accordingly. Okay, so don't fix mind that sin theta is Y, cos theta is X coordinate. Bukan. Only for this chapter betul. Okay? So, yeah. Boleh faham guys apa yang saya nak bagi tahu? So, jangan fix minda macam tu. Okay, jangan hafal. Understand? Chapter. Any chapter lah in trigo. You learn trigo generally like at maths. Is your angle always here guys? In trigo? Your angle. Let's say I'm not talking about maths lah. Is it always my angle must be here? No, right? My angle can also be here. Am I right? Sudut dia boleh kat mana-mana. As long as it's a triangle, right angle, my angle can be top or bottom. But for this chapter, we always refer to x-axis, Paxi x. Okay? So don't fix your mind like for the whole trigonometry that cos is x, sine is y. No. Okay, wrong concept. Okay? So yeah. Okay, so for question B, can you all try and see this question over here? What is your cos theta, guys? Yes, tangent can. Tangent, no matter what, is always y over x. Yeah, negative depend on the chapter. If you're learning this one, then you must check and see lah. Positive, negative. Okay, guys. So anyone, cos theta for this one, what is the value? Apa nilai kamu untuk cos theta? Anyone? Cuba jawab. Cos theta. Come on, guys. Yes, very good. Negative 0.8387 bagi 1. So kamu dapat yang ni. Okay, tangent theta. What is your answer? This one you can use calculator to get tangent theta. Okay, very good. 0.649. Sat saya check dulu. Okay, can. Okay, so guys, usually when tekan calculator, right, kamu akan dapat jawapan panjang ni kan. Kamu boleh singkatkan jawapan. Okay, you can give to 3 dp. Can already. Jangan perlu salin banyak-banyak. Okay, 3 dp saja cukup for 3 goal lah. Kalau nak bagi 4 pun boleh. Jangan bagi 5. 5 dp sangat jarang. 3 atau 4 untuk bab ni. Okay, for titik perpuluhan. Okay, 3 or 4. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this one done already. Okay, so we talk about this one. Okay, so guys, try to see the question over here. We revise this one, then we end already lah for today. Kita buat certain soalan saja. Sebab semua ni menguji konsep sama. All test the same thing. So I choose question. Ataupun kamu pilih lah. Okay guys, for question 1, kamu nak saya bincang soalan mana? Bagi tahu nombor kat saya. Yang kamu rasa susah lah bagi kamu. Okay, I know already you guys will choose this. So I choose G lah. Okay, we talk about soalan G. Okay guys, interesting because the angle is not a complete angle. Okay guys, first thing, apa nama simbol ni? Wait first. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of this symbol? The what to call it? Apa nama saya pun tak tahu. Yes. Okay, the meaning is minute lah. Ini merujuk kepada minit. Okay, 128 darjah, 53 minit. Okay guys, so macam mana convert dari minit kepada darjah sekarang? Apa kita kena buat? How to convert it? Because saya takkan tahu kat mana sudut ni selagi saya tak dapat nilai dia secara penuh. Wrong. Not times 60. Bowen, if you times 60, right? You mean times 60 to this value, right? Am I right? You're doing like that. Yes, correct. Okay, it's actually divide 60. Okay, so you have to divide 53 by 60. Okay, so tekan calculator only lah. 53 bahagi 60, you get this value. Wah, Chan Tong Sin, you are better than the calculator. Your value is longer than the calculator. Not bad. The calculator got only 5 threes. Your answer got, I don't know how many threes. I think more than 10 or 15 threes. Very accurate, your answer. But personally, I think that it's better you give in fraction. Fraction is still more accurate than your answer. Okay? Because the 3 is endless until infinity. So if you give your answer as fraction, is 100% more better than your answer. Okay? So yeah. 1 degree 60 minutes. Yes. 1 degree 60 minutes. Let me think. Yes, correct. Okay guys, the conversion, if anyone forget, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Remember this guys, dalam sudut kamu. You learn this in your lower form. 1 degree is 60 minutes. If anyone forget, please recap. Okay, because they can still test you over here. Okay, so if you check and see, okay, so 128.89. Okay, guys, what quadrant is this? Can you all tell me? 128.89. Quadrant ke berapa? Atau sukuan ke berapa? Yes, quadrant number 2. Okay, reference angle is 51.12. Correct. Okay, guys, so you should be able to get your reference angle 51.12. Okay, so any problem, guys, untuk soalan G? Kalau kamu semua faham, boleh tak kamu semua cuba soalan H? Can you all try H and see? Tell me what is your reference angle. Second too much already lah. We never learn second, guys. In syllabus, don't have second. If second mean common sense is divide 3600 lah to convert to degree, because 1 minute is 60 seconds. Am I right? And 1 degree is 60 minutes. So degree to second is 3600 lah. So just divide 3600 if you want to find the degree. Okay, you just play with time only. That's all. Question 3, 35.7. Okay, let me check and see. Okay, 42. Okay, so the rest you all try and see also. Apa sudut rujukan kamu dapat untuk H? Okay, so you take. Okay, very good. Correct. The answer should be 35.7 degree, quadrant 3. Okay, guys, boleh dapat? So this is the answers for question 1. The rest, very easy. You all can try and see. Not complicated at all. I think it's almost finished. 6.1 already. So yeah, but not yet lah. Still got a bit more. Okay. All right. So question number 2. Okay. So you all choose and see what question you want me discuss. I think it'll be GH or I only lah. The rest very easy. Okay. So you all pick and see what question you want me discuss for number 2. Mana kamu semua mau? Cuba bagi tahu. G, H atau I? H. Okay, kamu semua takut tangent kan? 2 only. Very short topic, guys. 2 subtopic only. 6.1, 6.2. Second subtopic is just graph. Graph only. That's all. Okay. So, okay. They ask you to state the trigonometry function. Okay, so just now we do it already. Okay, so first of all, can anyone tell me this value in degree? How much? Berapa nilai ni dalam darjah? Cuba bagi tahu saya. Saya nak tengok kamu boleh convert ke tak dulu. So anyone? Do you get the answer? How many degree is this? 96 degree. Okay, very good. Tongsin, 96.52. Correct. Okay, so you should get 96.52. Which quadrant, guys? Can you all tell me? Quadrant ke berapa? Sudut ni. The rest also active a bit, ah. Jangan tidur. Okay, answer the question actively. Yang 30 orang manusia kat sini. 30 human beings. What quadrant is this? 96.52. No lah, they're not away from keyboard. God only. Very good. Okay, quadrant number 2. Betul. When I call your names, kamu semua sedar. Bila saya kata 30 orang manusia, semua orang pergi keyboard dan cuba type jawapan. Bila saya tak kata, semua senyap. Tak apalah, saya faham sebab online kan. So usually online kamu akan rasa macam tu. Betul, saya faham. Okay, tak apa. Okay, so yeah. So quadrant kedua. Okay, so sudut rujukan berapa kamu dapat untuk yang ni? Oh, how to get? 31 you divide by 60 because 1 degree 60 minutes. This is the conversion. So 31 minutes is 31 divide 60 and then you plus 96. Yes, correct. And every time you see simbol ni, ini maksud minit. So kamu bahagi 60 saja. Okay? So yeah. Okay, guys. So what is your reference angle? How many? You should get, I think, large value. So anyone? 2H? Can you all try and see what is your reference angle? Sudut rujukan. Hello guys. What reference angle you all get? Sudut rujukan untuk H. Can you all comment? What is the answer you all get for this one? Yes. Okay, tangent 83. Slightly wrong. Okay, correct. Correct. Okay, guys. So the answer is negative tangent this value. Nilai ni. Okay. So kamu boleh dapat dari calculator. Alright. So why negative, guys? Because quadrant 2 tangent is negative. Betul? Sebab sudut ni dalam kuadran kedua. Kuadran kedua tangent negative. So you add negative tangent. Okay, and then reference angle 83.48. Okay? So yeah. If you want to give your answer like this, also can. Okay guys, the textbook, buku teks bagi jawapan dalam darjah dan minit. Also can. If you give your answer like tongsin, also can. Okay, doesn't mean you need to convert back to degree and minute. Both also can. Macam mana dapat suruh rujukan tu? Ini dah cakap kuadran kedua kan kat sini 96. Betul? So alpha dia kat sini. Alpha tu sudut rujukan. So kamu boleh cari. Okay? 180 minus 96. So dapat 83.48. Angle no fraction, right? Yes. Usually it's weird to give fraction. Okay, slightly weird lah. Usually angle we don't give fraction. It's very weird. Sangat pelik. Untuk sudut tu dapat pecahan. Okay? So yeah. Okay guys, so we discussed the last question, question 3, then we off for today. Okay, so for this one, okay, so can anyone tell me, revision back, what is your value for sine theta? Just now only we discussed this one. Apa nilai dia guys? Come on, everyone here. What is your sine theta? Sangat senang. Recall balik. Sine theta sama dengan apa? Okay, very good. Negative 0.8290, betul, correct. Cos theta, guys, how much? Okay, 0.5992. Okay, correct. Tangent, yes, correct. Yes. Okay, betul. Semua betul. Very good. Okay, so that is your answer. Sine, still stuck, Bowen. Cos x, cos is referred to x coordinate. Am I right? Based on the formula just now. So your x coordinate is 0.5592 lah. That's all. Yeah. Sine y coordinate. Warren, you must understand. Not necessary, I mean in terms of generally trigo. When you're talking about trigo, this one can only apply if your triangle is like this. If your triangle is sticking to the x-axis and form this kind of pattern. If it forms this kind of pattern, the triangle on the y and x-axis, then yes, you can apply your formula. Cos is equal to x coordinate, sine is equal to y coordinate. But does it mean that always the triangle will be like this? No, right? My triangle can be maybe floating halfway, not touching the axis. Okay, or maybe in a different way. Maybe my triangle change. Maybe my angle is here now. Maybe my theta is here. Usually in this chapter, theta is here. Am I right? All the angle is referred to x-axis. When touched, you use that formula. Cos is equal to x, sine is equal to y. No touch, then you have to find out lah using your basic trigo knowledge. Okay, you cannot use back this knowledge already. You have to go back to your lower form, form 3. You learn trigo that time, right? They teach you how to find. So, katwa. Yes, that formula also. Tangent equal to sine over cos. That's how we get the value of tangent theta in this question. Okay, you take this value, the sine theta, divided by cos theta answer. Then you will get the tangent theta. Okay? Okay, guys. Any other question that kamu semua ada nak tanya saya sebelum kita nak habis? Anything else that you still doubt, like don't understand my explanation? Any part? Not yet, I think. Still got 5 more page. Then we will enter. So next class maybe combine lah. Maybe can combine. Okay. So any question, guys? Ada apa-apa soalan? What is when? What's the meaning of when? Oh, same time next week. Okay. So clear, guys? Today's lesson boleh dapat? No problem. Can understand now? 100%. Okay, so this is the basic lah of Twigo that we cover today. Okay, next week still on the basic a bit, and then more on problem solving lah. Kita selesaikan like equation like this, how to solve for theta. This is what we will focus next class. Okay, so if any other question you have, you can stay back and ask me. Kalau kamu ada apa-apa soalan, generally lah berkenaan maths atau maths, apa-apa nak tanya saya, boleh stay back dulu. Saya boleh jawab soalan kamu. Okay? So yeah, thank you. Kalau tak ada soalan, boleh left dah. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. And good luck for your trial also. Thank you. Thank you, Wafa. Thank you, Mariam. Tongsin, what is the meaning of 88? I don't understand. Thank you, Bowen. Oh, holiday in KL. Very good. Hope you enjoy your holiday. Thank you, Winnie. Thank you, Shuhada. Thank you, Vasanti. Okay, guys. Ada apa-apa lagi nak tanya? Yang dua tinggal, Anis dan Syahida. Kalau tak ada, saya off.